I'm Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's I'll try to do the charging speed test on the IQ7 device after performing the system reset option. So as friends, few of the users did mention that after selecting the system reset option, then the phone was able to perform the charging speed really faster. So let me try to show you a couple of comments which I have received recently. And just yesterday I did upload a video on the charging test in the IQ7 device using the Realme cooling fan, and the charging speed got slightly improved, and I got plenty of comments and other things saying that asking me to try resetting the system option, as you can see friends. So these are comments which I got recently, and some of the users they did try and it worked for them. So in my testing I'll try to see whether the system reset option is going to work for me or not. So one more thing, quick note, by resetting the system option, it won't delete any of your personal data at all. So nothing will be deleted, only the system default settings will be getting reset, that's it. So let me go to the reset option, and I need to click on the reset all options, as you can see friends. And now try to click on the reset all options. So just give your permissions for the pattern. So let me do reset all the options, and now the phone will be I think restoring, as you can see. So please wait. Now the phone will be restarting at this point. So let's see friends what will happen after this one. I'll try to do the charging test. I'll try to start the charging test. So let me need to connect the charger and keep it ready when the phone restarts. So it is a charging cable friends, as you can clearly see here, and I do have the stopwatch ready as well. So right now the phone is successfully resetting right now. And this is the exact message which he got when he spoke to the customer center. As you can see, this is what the customer care people they did advise him to do that. So that is the reason a lot of other users are there trying this kind of method, and it's working for them as well. So right now, as you can see friends, nothing got deleted. All the applications in my phone as it is, it got installed. As you can see friends, there's nothing has happened with my phone. All the data is completely there. All my contacts and all my photos, everything will be there. All my screenshots as well. Let me try to show you once. As you can see, all my images are completely there in this phone. Nothing has been done. Let me try to quickly show you the battery percentage, how much it is right now, and try to connect. So right now, as you can see friends, it's exactly 2% of the battery. Let me need to disable the internet connection as well. So right now the internet connection is completely disabled, as you can clearly see. Let me need to close all the background applications. So all the background applications are completely closed, and it is a stopwatch ready. And now let's start the charging test in this phone by after resetting all the settings. So let's see whether this will make any kind of difference in terms of the charging speed or not, because even I want to know that. So let me try to start the charging test right now. And the stopwatch is started, and the charging speed should be also, you will be able to see here somewhere around here. Let me try to show you, as you can see friends, the flash charge, you are getting the symbol as well, the flash charge clearly. So let's see what will happen after doing the complete reset of the settings, whether the charging speed will increase or not. So right now the temperature is about 36 degrees, and my room temperature is also not much, it's only 31 degrees. So right now I did not turn on AC, no cooler in my room. As you can clearly see friends, my room temperature is also no cooler, just only normal fan is there, and the phone temperature is right now 36 degrees. I'll try to record the battery percentage and temperatures for every 10 minutes. And same testing I did yesterday. Using the cooling fan, Realme cooling fan. So make sure to check that video. You can compare both results side by side. Let's see whether is there any kind of improvement or not in terms of the charging speed. That is what I want to know. If this kind of trick is working, then definitely friends, that will be the really very good advantage for IQ7 device. They can actually use this kind of trick and make the phone charge faster. And try to please comment under this video in case if this trick is working for you. Try to comment the video and make sure to hit that like button as well. Definitely that will be really a motivation for me as well in terms of making more and more videos. So right now let's see friends, and right now the temperature is 36 degrees only, and the backside, let's see, backside is of 36 degrees. So overall I can find only the 36 as a maximum in the first few minutes of time. Again I'll be back exactly 10 minutes after the time. Let's see after the 10 minutes how much the phone can actually charge faster. As you can see friends, right now it's 5 minutes and the battery percentage increased to 26%, as you can clearly see friends, in the 5 minutes of time. So I started the test with the 2%. So I started the test with 2% with one SIM card in the phone, and right now the temperature is also really low. It's same like that from the beginning, 36 degrees only. It did not increase to 37. As you can clearly see friends, let me try to check the backside also. Backside also remaining quite low, 36 degrees only during this time. You can clearly see the difference, 36 degrees, but not much. So let's see friends, again I'll be back after maybe exactly after 5 minutes. So in the 10 minutes we'll try to write down the readings. So as I said, I did plenty of charging test on this IQ7 device. So previously try to check those videos. So just type in the YouTube IQ7 charging SciTech Guru. You will find all my videos which are uploaded on the IQ7 device in terms of explaining the slow charging issues and a lot of different tests which I did on this phone. So make sure to check those videos, friends, in case if you are interested. As you can see, friends, exactly 10 minutes the battery increased to 44% only in the 10 minutes of time exactly. I did see the time, I did see the percentage exactly, friends. So let me try to check the temperatures, how much it is. So 37 degrees it increased slightly, as you can see. 37 degrees, little bit, 37.2. So 37 degrees as well. So this is a test which I'm trying to do after resetting everything, all the settings, after the reset of the settings only. So we need to write down the readings of this 10 minutes of charging continuously. So in 10 minutes the phone charging increased to 44% and temperature is of 37 degrees. As you can see, friends, this for the first 10 minutes of charging the IQ7 device after using the reset all options. So make sure to try, friends. In case in your phone, if it works, then definitely make sure to comment below. This kind of resetting the settings might help or not. Let's see in this video whether I will be able to improve the fast charging speed in this phone or not. So that is what I'm trying to see. So in yesterday's videos, the phone got fully charged in 31 minutes. In yesterday video, with same 2%, I started the test, but by using the Realme cooling fan. So let's see today, will the time be 31 minutes or less than 31 or more than 31? That is what I'm trying to check right now in this video. As you can see, friends, right now it's 15 minutes exactly. In 15 minutes, the phone charged to 61%. In 15 minutes, friends. So in 15 minutes, 61%. And right now the temperature is up close to 37.4 degrees, 37 degrees only, not much. As you can clearly see, 37 degrees only. So let's see again in the 20 minutes how much the phone will be able to charge, how much kind of battery percentage. That's a really interesting question to check. Let's see in the 5 minutes how much. I think the phone is slightly charging faster after doing the reset options. So I'm not sure. So let's see, friends, what will happen. As you can see, friends, right now we're getting close to 20 minutes of continuously charging the IQ7 device. So let's see how much percentage exactly it will reach. Around 20 minutes exact percentage I'm looking for. So let's see whether it will reach 77 or not exactly. So it 77, as you can see, friends, it did reach 77. So 20 minutes. So let me try to write down the readings. So 77 exact percentage, and the temperature is about 37 only, as you can clearly see. It did not increase much, only 37 degrees. I'll try to check the back side of the phone temperature as well. So let me write down the readings before I forget and write some other number. So this is the temperature front side 37 degrees and the back side is of also 36 degrees. As you can see, the temperature is also pretty good. And one more thing, always try to keep the temperatures really low. So no one can help you in terms of the slow increasing the charging speed. You need to keep the temperatures really low in this IQ7 device. Only then you will be able to achieve this kind of high speeds of charging rate. Don't try to on the internet, don't use Wi-Fi at all. Just for 30 minutes, just keep the phone side and your phone will be completely 100% charged without any kind of issues. So let's see, friends, in my testing again I'll be back exactly 30 minutes. So then we'll get to know how much the battery percentage reached after 30 minutes of continuously doing the charging test. And don't forget, friends, make sure to comment below in case if this resetting all the settings option is working for you. So do let me in the comments below, friends. That will be really very much helpful, not only for me, for a lot of other users who are looking to find this kind of exact problem a fix. So finally we'll be able to find a solution as well for this kind of problem. So let's see whether this kind of trick is working or not. So even I'm hoping for it should work. So right now 21 minutes and 82%. So let's see. As you can see, friends, right now the time is about close to 28 kind of minutes and the battery percentage it reached up to, as you can see, friends. So let's see 96% right now in 28 minutes. Can it reach 97 or not? I'm trying to see. So right now 96 only, friends, in 28 minutes. So I'm very curious to see whether the phone will be able to charge faster or not. And after 95%, so from 96, 97, 98, 99 and 100, this last 4 to 5% will take a lot of time usually. So that is what I thought of showing you in the live demonstration, so you know exactly what is happening with this phone. And right now the temperature is of 35 degrees. As you can see, it decreased, the temperature decreased from 37. You can clearly see here, as you can see, friends. So we got the 97% around 28 minutes and I think 15 seconds somewhere around that time. So let's see, friends, how much time again it will take to increase to 98%. How many seconds? That is what I'm trying to calculate. So I'm trying to find out exactly when the phone is taking too much time, at what percentage. So from 96 to 97 it took some 1 minute of time, and from 97 to 98, let's see how much time it will be taking, 1 minute or 2 minutes. That is what I'm trying to see. So right now it's 29 minutes. So 29 minutes right now, and 97% only, as you can clearly see, friends. I'm trying to show you exactly, and you can see even the flash charge indication as well. So I think resetting all the settings, maybe it might work. I think so. So maybe if you want, you can definitely give it a go. But right now, as you can see, friends, definitely after even for 1 minute as well, we are not increasing even 1%. From 97 to 98, you can see the clear difference what is happening right now. So the last few percentage is taking a lot of time in this IQ7 device. So otherwise, this phone can actually get charged in 130 minutes easily without any problem, if last few minutes are really faster. So right now you can see, friends, still 1 minute and 30 seconds. I think it did happen close to 1 minute 30 seconds, but still it remaining around 97% only. So let's see how much more time from 97 to 90. As you can see, right now it got to 98, exactly around 29 minutes and I think 55 seconds. So after 1 minute and 30 seconds kind of close, so it increased by 1%. Let's see from 98% how much time it takes to increase to 99%. So that is another real question. It is. So that is what I'm trying to see. So in 30 minutes it charged up to 98%. Friends, I forgot totally about this timing, so let me write down the readings. In 30 minutes, 98%, and the temperature is 35 degrees, but not much, as you can clearly see, 35 degrees only. So during this time of testing, you can clearly see, friends, so 98% of the battery and 35 degrees is the temperature which is present in this phone. So let's see what will happen with the 99%, how much more time it will take. So even I am very curious to see how much time the phone takes usually. So usually it should take not much time, friends. It should take kind of like, as you can see, 99% it reached exactly after close to 1 minute of time. So after 1 minute from 98 it reached to 99. So we did get to that kind of mark, 31 minutes exactly, as you can see, friends, 31 minutes. So I'm still waiting for that 100% how much it will take. I think it might work. If you try to reset the settings, it will work. Yes, I can feel that the speed. So before, without using any of this kind of tricks, my phone took about, I think, 36 minutes, I think 36 minutes or 35 minutes. So maybe you can save a little bit, kind of few minutes of time in case if you are having long times, maybe 45 minutes and 50 minutes, then definitely you can try this kind of trick by resetting the settings only. Don't try to reset anything. I'm trying to say again and again, only reset settings, and it's completely full. As you can see, friends, it's completely full, 100%, exactly as you can clearly see, 31 minutes and 40 seconds. So let me try to write down the final. So do let me in the comments below, friends, if this trick is working for you or not in terms of increasing the charging speed in your smartphone. Definitely, I do want to listen to your feedback. So this is the overall charging time. Let me try to write down. Right now it's about 31 minutes of complete time it took, starting from 2% of the battery. You should remember that 2%. So maybe if you want, you can add 1 more minute as well. So overall it might take close to 32 minutes overall a complete time to charge the phone when the phone is in on mode. So maybe in the switch off mode, this might take 30 minutes. I'm not sure, but I can definitely give it a try. Maybe tomorrow I'll try to do that kind of testing as well very soon. So maybe stay tuned for subscribing to my channel, friends, and also don't forget to comment below. Definitely I'm trying to wait for all your comments and feedbacks by testing this kind of method. If it is working, that's a lot of good and benefit for a lot of users. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, see you. Bye.